right, welcome to the next video in the series for college applications. I'm going to be going over the basics of Common App, what Common App is, and then I'm also going to show you how to match your Common App and your Naviance accounts, so that way you can get material sent to the schools you're applying to. So Naviance is used as a documentation um, cloud, basically. That is how Milford High School sends documentation to your colleges. The Common App is the actual application that you're filling out, or if it's the individual school application that you're filling out. These are the actual applications that the colleges that you need to submit in order to have a complete application. So we talked in the last video about how to add schools to your list. Um, each tab up here is going to be a little bit different. The My Colleges tab lists all of your schools and their individual requirements for application. So Miami's questions underneath the My Colleges tab are going to be different than the Ohio State's questions under the college tab. Some things might look similar, but this is where the differences between the applications actually exist. Okay, so this is, I want to say, supplemental to the Common App. The Common App tab is the actual application information. So you can see that there are different sections: profile information, family information, education, testing, activities, and writing. So this is the application. And then you go to the My Colleges tab and you complete the supplementals for each individual school. That is the basics of Common App. The goal is to have green check marks all the way down. And once you have green check marks all the way down on the Common App tab and you have them all the way down on the individual schools tab, that is when you'll be ready to submit your application. Before you really get started on anything else, Milford recommends matching your Naviance account with your Common App. So Common App and Naviance should be matched so that way we can send all of your documents. In order to do that, there are two things that you have to do on Common App after you've added a school. So you're going to go to the Common App tab, you're going to go to Education, and you're going to complete this first box: current or most recent secondary high school. So you can do that by searching by the high school name, or it might pop up if you have a location um, by your address. Okay. So it should be 363430. That should be the number of the code. You're going to complete this whole box. So you enter the year that you entered, freshman year. We're not a boarding school. Yes, you're going to graduate. You enter your general graduation date, and then no change of progression. Continue. You should have a check mark next to this box. The second step is to go to the My Colleges tab. You're going to open up any school, it doesn't matter which one. You're going to go to Recommenders in FERPA. And then there's going to be a release authorization button, a blue button. You're going to click that. You're going to check. You're going to check that you acknowledge. You're going to either waive or not waive your right to review all documentation. And you're going to click I understand. And you're going to sign and date and hit OK. From there, once you've completed, so you should have a green check mark next to recommenders in FERPA. You should have a green check mark next to your current or most recent secondary school. And then you're going to go to your Naviance account. So if you haven't already logged in, you're going to do that via Milford High School, senior high school, not junior high, senior high. You're a student, continue with single sign on, and then you'll get logged in here. You'll go to the colleges I'm applying to tab, and then you're going to see this pink box up here. It looks like you're applying to some Common App schools, but you need to connect your accounts. You're going to match. You're going to use the email address that you created your Common App account with, put in your date of birth, and click Match Accounts. Once that's successful, it's going to pop up with a green box. Yay, you've done it. And then you can X out of that little box, and this pink line goes away. Remember, if you're applying to a Common App school, it is required for you to match your accounts. So make sure that you complete that match the first thing when you get your Common App account. It's easier to get it done out of the way.